Troubles for cash-strapped Kingfisher Airlines continue. Clearly, the grace period under the SARFAESI notice served to KFA by the consortium of banks has now ended, and the lenders will now move to attach the airline's assets. Not just that, sources tell ET now that banks are also in talks with Shrey Infrastructure, which holds close to about 1,200 crore rupees worth of KFA's pledged shares, to recover the money, or rather as much money as possible. Simran Gill joins us now with exclusive details on that. So Simran, the bankers are clearly talking tough now. What are the measures that they will be taking?
Well, there are a number of updates as far as the recovery of KFA loans is concerned. Sources are telling us as far as the SARFAESI notice period of 2 months is concerned, it gets over today. So bankers will be looking at attaching properties which consist of Goa Villa as well as the Kingfisher House in Mumbai. Both these properties are valued around 100 crore rupees. They also are looking at attaching other properties like office spaces as well as KFA buses. In total, they expect to get around 150 crore rupees through the SARFAESI route. Another important point out here to note is the loans that Shrey Infra holds. Well, Shrey Infra had acquired around 400 crore rupees of loans from ICICI Bank, and they also had acquired pledged shares of USL, which now stand at around value of 1,200 crore rupees. So sources are telling us that the bankers are in talks with Shrey Infra and have asked Shrey Infra to sell the USL shares within this month and recover whatever is Shrey's due, which is about 400 crore rupees, and the rest to give it to bankers, because the bankers hold the second rights to these USL shares which are pledged with Shrey Infra, and bankers expect to recover about 750 to 800 crore rupees from this exercise. Another important point to note here is, as far as this consortium of bankers is concerned, they have filed a case on the 24th of June with the DRT in Bangalore, where they will be looking at invoking personal and corporate guarantee of Vijay Mallya, which is valued around 3,000 crore rupees. One very important point to note here, which has never been mentioned before, is that sources are telling us that bankers will also be seeking claim to such assets which may have changed hands. To clearly tell you in simple terms, that means that bankers are of the view that Vijay Mallya may have transferred some assets which were under his name to some other names to avoid paying back to bankers. So bankers will also be seeking claim on such assets. So certainly bankers are not looking at going easy on Kingfisher Airlines at all. They've already recovered about 600 crore rupees from the sale of shares of USL in the past.